Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand the interface of Udemy quickly. Now friends, the interface of Udemy may change time to time, but the overall essence of the interface will remain the same. So let's move forward. Alright, so here is the standard landing page where we can enroll into a course. This is a free of cost course. Let me enroll now. Alright, so once we get enrolled into a course, this will give you this particular page where there would be like a couple of suggestions. Then there would be this button of start course. So let me click on this start course, and then finally we will get the overview page. Now there would be a couple of questions asked to you. You can answer the question based on your preferences, but as of now we will close this window. Alright, so here we have the interface. You will be able to check the description of the course if you scroll down. This is the overview tab. Then we have the course content tab. Let me click on this, and this is the most important part where we can search. For example, we can search for any keyword. We will get the lectures where the keyword is used. Even the transcript would be searched, so this is very nice, good. Then here is the listing of all the lectures section wise, so we can click on the section and it will toggle the content, right? So this is nice, this is cool. All right, so this is the interface of course content. Now friends, if there is any question in your mind, then we can check the Q&A section. So we can click on this where people has asked the questions and the instructor has given the reply to the questions. All right, now in here you can also ask a new question, right? So asking a question is definitely a very good thing. You can also search for the keywords in the question, and maybe your question is already asked by someone and answer is already given. Alright, so here is the tab using which you can ask a question. Then we have bookmark. What is bookmarks is something I will talk in a minute. And finally we also have the announcements. Announcements is something where the instructor has given you some educational information. Here you won't find any messages related to marketing or something like that. So the messages will be like greeting messages, simply like this, or some educational material or something like that. And finally we have the options like favorite this course, archive, share this course, and things like that. So very simple. Alright, so now we will again talk about Q&A and bookmarks. So in here, if we open up any video, for example the first video, it will start playing. Let me mute. Alright, so here is the video which is getting played. Then there is like this video have a couple of slides and the description is ongoing. In the background the volume is muted. Everything is good. Now there are like couple of options. First option is transcript. So these are the auto-generated transcript and there might be some mistakes, so take a note of it. Auto-generated transcript. Then we have browse question and answer, and we can directly ask question and answer from here as well. So for example, if I click on this button and we give the question name as demo and question as test, and we post this question, then when we check the interface, let me show you, go to dashboard. If we check the question and answer, here we go. It will also specify that the question is asked for lecture 1. So this is the advantage of asking the question from the interface of the player. So in here, let me open up the player once again. Course content. Let me click on the lecture, and here is the player. This is the Udemy player. Apart from that, for example, there is an important point. For example, this particular slide is important for you, so you can click on this add bookmark and give the comment as Java object maybe, right? So this bookmark would be available to you for your reference, right? So let me open up the bookmarks tab. So here is the bookmark which is added, and if you click on this bookmark, then the player will open up the video from exact point. So this is the advantage of bookmark. All right, let me delete this bookmark. We don't need this. All right, let me go to dashboard again. All right, now friends, there could be a scenario where you would like to skip a lecture, right? So if you would like to mark a lecture completed without watching it, so in here you can simply click on this round icon. So if I click on this round icon, it would be checked marked and the lecture would be marked as completed. All right, so you can also check this like numbering. So if I click on this particular lecture, then it will say 1 lecture is completed out of 10. And once we have completed watching all the videos, then what we can do, we can also generate the completion certificate. Now friends, I highly recommend to watch all the lectures, but there could be a scenario where a concept is already known to you and you would like to skip the video. So you can do that by clicking on this icons. And once we are done with all the lectures, then this particular icon, this cup icon, will be enabled and it says your completion certificate is being prepared. And this will take a couple of minutes to generate, and it is generated. Let me click on this icon, and here is your completion certificate. All right, so here is the completion certificate. Let me maximize. All right, so this is amazing. This is nice. You can download, you can share your certificate, and definitely use your certificate in your resume. That will definitely give you an advantage. Now finally, let us check a small little thing. Now in here you will also get the link to rate the course. You can definitely rate the course. You can modify your existing rating and things like that. It's up to you. Now as the rating is done by me for my own course, which is not authenticate, I will delete the rating. But here are a couple of things which you can for example add apart from the rating. You can, all right, so you can write about the course, you can give a public review, and reviews are definitely very important. Now if you like the course, definitely give a good review, and if you don't like the course, explain why didn't you like the course. All right, so that's it. Let me cancel my rating, let me exit. All right, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.